2019 Chrysler 300. The Chrysler 300 combines sport and luxury in one unique and powerful package. If you're looking for elegance and performance, the 300 delivers. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, compass, trip computer, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, power windows, overhead console, panic alarm, tachometer, remote keyless entry, brake assist, power driver's seat, sport appearance package, front reading lamps, front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.